Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from the PBL 311 group would like to present the result of our final project. The title of our project is Integrated Smart Door Management System, Development of Mobile Application at Admin Platform. Roles and contribution of the members. Pandunaya, me, as leader, serve as the team leader and QA or testing. Nabil Novaldo, serve as a backend developer. Rizky Alfiansyah, serve as UI or UX designer. Nicholas Jonawinata, serve as front-end developer. Aurelia Azara Putri Huda, serve as a business analyst. Zahra Sakina, serve as a business analyst. General description of the software. Purpose. SecureDoor is designed as a smart door security system that enables door access control through both a mobile application and a web-based dashboard. The system is intended to improve the effectiveness and security of access management, while allowing user and administrators to easily monitor door activity in real time. Scope. This project covers the steps of system planning, design, implementation, testing, and evaluation. The final outputs of the project include an Android mobile. General description of the software. The Smart Door Management System is designed as an intelligent access system that integrates an Android application, a web-based admin dashboard, a backend service API, and a centralized database. The Android application is developed using Kotlin with Jetpack Compose, while the web dashboard utilities React or Vue.js for its implementation. All system components are connected through a backend API built with Node.js and Express, supported by a PostgreSQL or SQLite database, and enhanced with Firebase Cloud Messaging to deliver real-time notification.
Functional requirement. One, authentic user. The system must provide user authentication through Google Sign-In integrate with Auth0 to ensure the security of the login process. Two, control door in real time. The system must provide a real-time door control feature that allow users to lock or unlock the door through the application. 3. View door status. The system must display the current door status, locked or unlocked, on the main application screen. 4. View live camera feed. The system must display live video streaming from a camera connected to the door device. And then, allowing user to monitoring condition before granting access. 5. View door story. The system must record and display the access story containing information such as user identity, type, and door status. 6. Use analysis. The system must generate simple analytic, e.g., number of access per day or week, must active user, risk in the form of charts or table. And last, view live camera feed. The system must display like video streaming from a camera connected to the door device, allowing users to monitor condition before grant access.
First non-functional requirement. The first one is availability. The system can be accessed anytime through web and mobile platform. And the second non-functional requirement, that is usability. The application interface is easy to use and understand. And the third one is security. The system provides security to other user data and door access, such as login authentication. Okay. For the fourth non-functional requirement, that is compatibility. The application runs properly on multiple device and browser. Okay. For the fifth one is auditability. The system record user activities such as door opening and closing. And for the last one is language. Our application use Indonesian as the main language. Okay, let's hop on to the use case diagram. Here, admin and user must authenticate before using the system. And then user can operate the door in real time and view the door status. And also user can view live camera streaming and access door history. And then the system can send notification, that is access notification, to users. And for the last one is admin. Admin has additional access for access to Okay, for the last one is admin has additional access to view usage data and analytics.
Entity relationship diagram. In our application, we have entity user, entity notification, system settings, access logs, camera record, and door status. In user, we have user ID as a primary key and Google ID as a foreign key. Notification, we have ID notif as a primary key and user ID as a foreign key. System setting, in system setting, we have ID system as a primary key and update as a foreign key. Access log. In access log, we have ID access log as a primary key and user ID as a foreign key. Camera record. In camera record, we have ID camera record and user ID as a foreign key. Door status. In door status, we have ID door as a primary key and user ID as a foreign key. Result of implementation that means is course. The secure door system was deployed using Docker containers to ensure a consistent and isolate runtime environment. The system architecture was configured and orchestrated using Docker Compose to manage multiple services, including the web admin, backend API, and database. Inter-service communication and database integration were successfully implemented within the container environment. System deployment was test, troubleshoot, and validated to ensure all Docker-based service operate correctly. Result of implementation, the database security course. The database security and secure door smart door management system is designed to protect user data and access record from unauthorized access and misuse. Thank you. Udah bang, caranya?
Next, results of implementation the human-computer interaction course. Design and mention of overview. The secure door interface is designed based on human-computer interaction principles with a user-centric. The design emphasizes ease of use, visual consistency, and clear interaction flows. All interface design and interaction flows are documented as a design handoff to support assured implementation and usability results. The secure door application was developed according to the approved design handoff document, ensuring consistency between the initial design and the final implementation. Usability evaluation results show that the application is easy to use and meets the learning outcomes of the human-computer interaction course. Usability testing results. Usability testing was using the system usability scale. The secure door application an average score of 77, which falls into the good category grade B. This results indicates that the application has good usability and is suitable for real-world use.
Software testing for the smart door maintenance system was conducted using backend testing to verify system functionality. The testing involved users' mobile app and admin web platform and was based on functional requirements F001 to F007. Number one, user authentication, Google sign-in validation. Login functionality was tested using valid and invalid Google accounts. Result, the system successfully authenticated valid users, redirected them based on roles, and rejected invalid login attempts. This is a result of implementation the software testing course with identification AU001 with test case name, login valid Google account, description, testing the login functionality using a valid Google account, the condition the user has an active Google account and is connected to internet. Testing that 28 December 2025 with Pandu Tenaya. This is our scenario. Expected results, system display the dashboard according to the user's role. Observed result, system successfully display the main dashboard. Conclusion, the test result successful is as expected. This is mobile. This is screenshot of implementation, mobile and web. Conclusion: the Secure Door project was successfully developed as an integrated door access management system that includes a mobile application, as both backend and database. The system meets both functional and non-functional requirements, was implemented according to the planned design and tested with satisfactory results. Based on usability evaluation and focus testing, SecureDR is considered easy to use, stable, and elegant, with the learning outcomes of the related course.
That concludes our final project presentation. Next, we would like to show some documentation from the project development process. Thank you.